am Magadishri. Our school is very special in the rural area and many are waiting to get educated, but our building is not enough to accommodate. We are crowded and we are struggling for the lack of place. We dream of a safe, modern and well-equipped school building where we can learn, grow and thrive. But we need your help to make it happen. We are reaching out to you today to ask for financial assistance to build a new school building. Your contribution will help us access better educational resources, technology, and infrastructures. Every donation, big or small, counts. Your support will bring us closer to our dream and give us the chance to reach our full potential. So please consider helping us build a brighter future. Together we can make a difference. We are